Another summer day has come and gone away, in Paris or Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. I just wanna go home. Ooh, I miss you, you know. And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, each one a line or two. Fine, baby, how are you? And I would send them, but I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, but you deserve more than that. Another aeroplane, another sunny place. I'm lucky, I know, but I wanna go home. Ooh, let me go home. Let me go home. I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna come home. Just like you're living someone else's life. It's like I just stepped outside when everything was going right. And I know just why you could not come along with me, but this was not your dream. You always believed in me. Another winter day has come and gone away, in neither Paris or Rome, but I wanna go home.